Hello all and welcome to today's video on how to increase the durability of your clothes. Have you ever found yourself staring at a closet full of clothes, but feeling like you have nothing to wear? Or maybe you've noticed that some of your favorite pieces are starting to look a little worn out or faded. Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips and tricks for keeping your wardrobe in its best shape. Let's start with why you should maintain your wardrobe in the first place. You have to maintain it as it saves you a lot of money in the long run, adds to your presentability as well as helps you be a responsible citizen by protecting the environment. Do you know how often should we declutter the wardrobe? Make sure you clean your wardrobe every 3 months once. Moving on to the 5 major tools that help you keep your wardrobe durable. To start with, one by one, let us see about washing. Here are a few general tips to keep in mind while washing clothes. You can also understand washing better when you understand the symbols of washing that are on your clothes. You can also try these products. Next, we have on ironing, with some key points to keep in mind during the process. Ironing clothes can be a time-consuming task, but it can help to make your clothes look neat and tidy. Some people prefer to use steam to help remove wrinkles more easily. You can prefer whatever is comfortable for you. Familiarizing yourself with the ironing symbols on your garments can also help you better understand the process. Also, make sure you know the heat settings before you begin. Additionally, you may want to consider using certain products that help. Moving on to folding, there are some important factors to consider while folding your clothes. This is a crucial part of laundry care and is essential for storing clothing items in a drawer or on a shelf. It can also help to prolong the life of your clothes by reducing wear and tear caused by haphazard storage. Becoming acquainted with the method of folding can also enhance your wardrobe. Follow the directions in these images to help you improve the way you fold. It's crucial to be aware of various products that you can use in achieving desirable results. Organizing your wardrobe can be a daunting task, but it can also be rewarding once you get the hang of it. It is an important part of maintaining a neat and organized closet or dresser and can help to save time and reduce stress when getting dressed. Let us look into how you can use your storage space with a few tips. Consider investing in organizers, such as hangers, baskets, and dividers, to maximize your space and maintain a tidy appearance. Lastly, make sure to regularly review and update your wardrobe to keep it functional and efficient. Now that you've learned these tips, take some time this weekend to go through your wardrobe and implement these strategies. You'll be amazed at how much more functional and enjoyable your closet can be. Thanks for watching, and make sure you share this video with your loved ones. Do comment your opinion about this video in the comment section. We'll see you in the next video.